Hello everyone, welcome to Tech2Gen's GetSetPython.py course. This is the first ever course launched by Tech2Gen just for you guys. And let me introduce myself. My name is Kritish and I'll be your instructor within the course. And the topic of the course is GetSetPython.py, which means get started from scratch. That means we will assume that you don't know anything, literally nothing about Python. Trust me, you will gonna learn everything. You will be like advanced Python coder. You will just understand every code written in Python anywhere. Okay, so just you will get started from scratch, get set your goals and just Python. So without any further delay, let me dig into the course. So the first question is, who are we? Okay, so Tech2Gen is a community which aims in transfusing the technology to this generation for a better future. We aims to teach and spread the topics related to cybersecurity, ethical hacking, Linux development, networking, tech news, etc. You can just follow us on www.tech2gen.com, which is our website. You can just also register over there, so you'll be really updated through our latest content. We have various things on our website through which you can learn many new things in this field. Okay, so you can also follow us on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, or you can just also write us on our email. We always check our emails and reply to you. We'll get back to you as soon as possible. You can also follow us on LinkedIn. So now let me tell you about some advantages of Python. As we all know, Python is a very dynamic and powerful language. As we all know, huge websites like Google and Instagram are running on Python. So now let me tell you some advantages of Python. The first advantage is presence of third-party modules. The Python package index PyPy contains numerous third-party modules that make Python capable of interacting with most of the other languages and platforms. Extensive library support. Python provides a large standard library which includes areas like internet protocols, string operation, web services tool, and operating system interfaces. User-friendly data structures. Python is built in list and dictionary data structures, and there are many more data structures which are modern for today's programming. And last but not least, and one of the most important advantage, productivity and speed. Python is clean, object-oriented design, provides enhanced process control capabilities. So now, let me tell about the topics which we are gonna cover throughout the course. So the first module is beginning. In beginning, you'll know about various things. Firstly, you'll get hands-on Python. You'll use Python for the first time and learn in basic and understand the concepts of Python, such as tokens, keywords, identifiers, literals, operators, simple input-output, data types, etc. Okay, so proceeding on conditional statements and looping. In this module, you will get to learn about conditional statements that are if, else, elif, and loops that are loop and for loop and while loop. For loop is name of the loop, so please don't get confused. They will power up your Python programming. Basically, these are the loops. So loops are essential for every programming language. So they'll obviously power up your Python programming. Proceeding further to the modern data types of Python, these are string-based data types which are list, tuple, and dictionaries. In this module, you will get to know about various data types of Python, which are list, tuple, dictionaries, and obviously strings. Now proceeding further on PyPlot. In this module, you will get to learn about PyPlot. PyPlot creates a graph, creates a figure, creates a plotting area in the figure, plots some lines in a plotting area, decorates the plot with the labels, etc. Basically, PyPlot is based on Matplotlib library. So in this chapter, you will learn about PyPlot. It is basically a graph-based dimensional function. Proceeding on functions. In this module, you'll get to know about how to create a function in Python. A function is a block of code which runs only when it is called. It means you will not, in this module, you will not learn about inbuilt function of Python. We'll be using inbuilt function of Python within the course, but in this specific module, you will learn how to create your own function and then call it. So you can pass your data known as parameters into the function and the function can return data as a result. Proceeding further, we'll learn about Python libraries. In this module, you'll get to know about various Python libraries. Python library is a collection of function and method that allows you to perform many actions without writing your code. Now, proceeding further to the file handling. In this module, we'll learn about the file handling in Python. Python file handling, also known as file input output, is one of the essential topic for the programmer and automation tester. We'll get deeper knowledge about file handling into this module. So proceeding further, one of the again most important topic, which is recursion. In this module, you will study and learn about recursion. Recursion is a way of programming or coding a problem in which function call itself in one or more times in the body. It is looking confusing in telling you, right? So we'll analyze it properly in this module. This is one of the most important module of the Python programming. It is like loops only. We'll just power this concept up in this module only. Coming on the last but not least topic, stacks and queues. In this module, we'll learn about the two modern data structure of Python, that are stacks and queues. Stacks and queues are the simple data structure that allows us to store and retrieve data sequentially. In a stack, the last we enter is the first to come out. But in queues, the first item we enter is the first to come out. So we'll just check all these things out within the course. This course almost cover everything you need to learn from basic to advanced of the Python. This is the one of the best course which will provide you all essential knowledge of Python you need to know to understand, to analyze, and to interpret the Python codes and to program for your future. So what are you waiting for? Let's get started. And here is the important notice: we are using Python 3.7 in this course. Means basically Python 3.x. Our codes will work throughout the Python 3. So what are you waiting for? Let's get started. Hashtag print kids at Python. I'll be waiting for you guys in this course. I'll be watching your way. Let's complete this course happily together. See you guys in the course. I'm waiting for you guys. Let's get started.